Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I want you to give a warm welcome to the Morgan Dollar. The Morgan Dollar is making its first appearance on the Big D Coins channel. And this dollar right here we have is dated 1896. The 6 also could be an 8. I'm not exactly sure, but I think it's more of a 6 than an 8. So we'll go with 1896. So this is a great coin right here. One of the first things you'll notice when you pick it up is very heavy. It's also a very big coin. So I want to give you a little bit of comparison. So that's the Morgan dollar. And here's a coin that you've seen on some of my other videos. This is the Eisenhower dollar. So you have probably held one of these coins if you're into coin collecting in your hand before, and you know exactly just how absolutely big that coin is. So in comparison, here's one that even if you aren't into coin collecting, you've held before. This is the United States quarter, the Ike dollar, and then the Morgan dollar behind it. So what do you guys think weighs more, the Ike dollar or the Morgan dollar? I'll give you a second to think about it. Actually, the answer is the Morgan dollar. The Morgan dollar weighs 26.73 grams, and the weight of the Eisenhower dollar is only 22.68 grams. So if you've held this one right here before and thought it was huge and weighed a lot, try and get your hands on one of these guys right here. A little bit smaller in diameter, but because of its metal content, it weighs a lot more. So this is made up of 90% silver. The remaining 10% is just a base metal. So this coin was made from, hold on one second. This coin was made from 1878 to 1921. So it was made for quite a long time there. Its value is $1 US. To coin collectors, it's obviously worth a lot more. And because it has such a high weight, that means it has such a high silver melt value. And a lot of people are really into that and hold on to it because of its melt value. So its silver content is 90%, giving it a silver weight of 0.7735 ounces, which in today's current silver market would be about $13 in just silver alone. So it's just a huge coin, a huge just chunk of silver, but it can be worth even more to coin collectors like ourselves out there. So I flipped it over, so you're looking at the reverse of the coin. Now this coin that I have here is from the Philadelphia Mint and does not have a mint mark on it. But if it did have a mint mark, it'd be located right down there. That's where the right underneath the wreath. So look down there, and you'll see the mint mark if there is one. The mint marks will be S, O, or C, C. So not the traditional D, S, and P that you're used to seeing. So in 1896, there were 9 million made at the 9.9 million made at the Philadelphia Mint. There were 762 proof coins, so barely any proof coins were made. There were 4.9 million made at the O Mint and 5 million made at the S Mint. So if you have one that's a proof coin, automatic, worth a ton of money. If it has the S or the O mint mark located right there, it's going to be even more valuable. You can flip it over on its side. There gives you some good perspective of the size of the coin. It's very thick. It's got silver, as you can see, on the rim. So I'll wrap this video up right now. Thanks again for checking out the video. If you're into coin collecting, please do check out some of the other videos on my channel. And leave a comment and welcome the Morgan dollar to the channel. Thanks everyone. Have a good one.